Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to achieve veiny arms, easy method. Start by creating a moderate calorie deficit while keeping protein high to protect muscle. Combine steady cardio with resistance training focused on forearms, biceps, and overall mass. Stay well hydrated and avoid excess sodium before sessions to help veins show. Use progressive overload, high rep finishers, and consistent grip. Work to build the muscle and local blood flow for lasting vascularity. In this video, I will show how to achieve veiny arms, easy method. Focus diet on steady but mild calorie reduction while prioritizing protein to keep muscle, roughly 0.71 gram per pound is a guide. Drink water consistently across the day and balance electrolytes to support blood volume. Time lower sodium meals before training to limit temporary water retention. Small, sustainable changes in food choices and timing make veins more visible without extreme measures. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and use voice timers, playlists, and hands-free music while you train. It's great for timing circuits, setting alarms, or playing motivating tracks during pump work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to achieve veiny arms, easy method. Train with a mix of heavy compound lifts and targeted arm work to increase muscle size and vascular demand. Incorporate forearm-focused moves such as wrist curls, reverse curls, and farmer carries at least twice weekly. Finish sessions with high-rep pump sets and short rests to drive blood into the area. Consistency and progressive overload will gradually reveal more pronounced veins and fuller musculature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.